Advocate Duma Gideon Boko, President of the Republic of Botswana, Honorable Ministers and senior officials, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Mr. President, I want to thank you and the people of Botswana for the warm welcome we have received in this beautiful country. We feel at home. What defines the relationship between Rwanda and Botswana is not only a friendship, but also a shared sense of purpose. This is evident in the way we work together and in our commitment to practical outcomes. Across areas such as air connectivity, visa facilitation, and double taxation, our objective is to remove barriers and to create a more predictable environment for investment and collaboration. Botswana has consistently demonstrated what forward-looking leadership can accomplish. The way you have managed your natural resources, particularly diamonds, reflects a deliberate effort to retain value and translate it into real benefits for your people. This is an approach that strongly resonates with us. That same clarity is evident in your efforts to strengthen health security. By investing in pharmaceutical capacity and resilience, Botswana is addressing domestic needs while also contributing to a more self-reliant continent. Mr. President, our partnership is on the right track. Cooperation in areas such as justice and security continues to deepen. And we are now expanding into economic sectors, including trade. The engagements taking place alongside this visit, particularly between our business communities, point to real and immediate opportunities. Ultimately, what we agree here must translate into tangible improvements in the lives of our citizens. That is the true measure of success. And Mr. President, I thank you for emphasizing that point earlier on. Rwanda remains fully committed to ensuring that our collaboration grows in both substance and impact. Mr. President, allow me in closing to congratulate you on the successful organization of the World Athletics Relays and Botswana's impeccable performance. This achievement is a moment of pride, not just for Botswana, but also for the entire continent. I thank you all for your kind attention.
Of Rwanda.